Hey guys, welcome back to LOPO's channel. I'm Zoe, and today we are going to be making belt. It's crafted from high-density polyester for durability, comfort, and a sleek appearance. Easy on and off, lightweight and adjustable buckle closure for all-day comfort and perfect fit. So welcome to contact us if you are interested. Now let me share the supplies for sublimation with you. A heat press machine, and today we are going to use our Galaxy 105 HS to do the diamond. Sublimation template, Teflon sheet, sublimation blank, heat-resistant glue, and heat-resistant tape. Before printing, here are some tips for you. Firstly, the leash is so long that we can't finish printing one time, so we need to print part by part. Secondly, preheating for 5 seconds to remove the moisture and give you a nice printing surface. Thirdly, please put the Teflon sheet on both sides before printing, making sure that there's no excess ink or anything from the previous application that's going to transfer over to the products and keep the machine clean. Now let's tape these beautiful flowers. The printing temperature I set is 195 degrees Celsius for 60 seconds with medium pressure. And put the Teflon sheet. Okay, now let's press in. Okay, let's see. That's amazing. Okay, now let's print the second part. Now let's take the third part. Okay, now let's trim the extra part. Like here. Okay, now let's check the printing results. It's great as a present for your friends, family, and lover in any special days or anniversary. You can find the link in the description below. We also provide you other polyester scissors products like dog leash, pillowcase, polycotton t-shirts, and so on. If you have any tips or suggestions about developing new products for sublimation, please do not hesitate to share your message below. We are always willing to listen. I hope you know better about how to print this belt. Thanks for watching and see you next time.